I'm Brittany Rivers and welcome to my channel. So today I'm coming at you all with an unboxing and install of this 9x6 Wear and Go glueless wig from CurlyMe hair. They actually reached out to me and asked me to try this wig for you all, and guys, this Yaki texture just looks amazing. Like, I love it. And applying this wig was just so easy. You just put it on and you're good. You're good. I am really liking these glueless wigs. I love having them available. You can always just throw them on. As you can see, this wig is 100% glueless, you guys. It is not glued down at all. Look at that texture. The texture is just absolutely eating. I love it. This looks like my real hair. It's eating. This is a 22-inch Yaki wig. We are going to go ahead and get into this video. But before we do, I'm going to ask that you all remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany, and let's get into this video. Okay guys, so we are going to go ahead and unbox this wig. I am super excited, you guys. I love the Yaki wigs. That is a huge surprise. I had no idea I would love the texture. But here is the box. This is a super duper cute box. Like CurlyMe, you kind of did it with the box. I love the ribbon on it. And here's the back. It has all of their social media pages on it so you can follow them and check them out. But let's open this thing. This box is super duper nice. Okay, so the ribbon like stretches, so I can actually keep the ribbon. So we're gonna put the wig to the side for now and look at our presents. So here's the box. It has like a nice little dust bag in it. So firstly, here is a flyer on how you can install the wig. It shows you how quick and easy it is to install the wig and how to care for the hair. Ooh, this is nice. Look at that. Okay, they came through with the headband. This is the nicest headband I've ever got. This is the nicest headband I've ever gotten. I'm actually gonna keep this. Like, okay, they came through. That is really cute. I like that. You do get 2 pairs of lashes. It has their branding on it. Get an edge brush. Okay, and what? Here's a wig cap. You get 2 wig caps, an HD wig cap, and then a regular wig cap based on your preference. Bam, and another edge brush. So you can't have too many of those ever. So let's see what's in here. Here you have some extra elastic bands. So here's an extra band. I know you all are ready to actually see what this wig is looking like. So let's go ahead and get into it. So this is a 22-inch 9x6 pre-cut, pre-bleached knot wig. So all I should have to do is slap this baby on, you guys. Like, look at that. Looks really pretty. Like, I do feel like this texture is eating. And as you can see, the knots are already bleached. You should not have to do much of anything to this wig. And I do love these 9x6 wigs because it really is the perfect amount of lace. It's not too much to where it's just super high maintenance. And you still have enough to do a nice little side part on days you want to do a side part. You could do an updo still with a 9x6 without all that extraness you get when you do a 13x6 or a 13x4. So here it is, stretched out. Very beautiful. I love the way they actually pluck this wig. It's almost like a widow's peak a little bit. Like, I love how it goes down a little bit more in the center and then it goes back up. So here is the elastic band they have already put in the wig, but here's an extra elastic band in case you don't want the pink one or you just need an extra one for whatever reason. Let's go ahead and take this paper off so we can really look at the inside of this wig. It does have this nice little tag on the wig. They definitely put a lot into branding. I will give them that. I do appreciate when companies do that, for sure. Of course, the elastic band is adjustable, so you can tighten it if you do have a smaller head, or you can loosen it a little bit if you have a bigger head like me. And here is the inside of the wig, you guys. So it does have a couple combs in it. And I do love at the elastic band place, so this is where you put your elastic band, it does have these different notches. If you can see really closely, like right here, it has different notches. So you can adjust the band, you can make it tighter and change the way it really fits. So the only thing I'm going to do to this wig is add a little bit of lace tint to the lace to make the lace just a little bit darker to match my skin tone a little more. I don't know if I showed you all, but you get a lot of parting space. Like that is a lot. And you have enough room to do little baby hairs on the side if you want those. Like, I love a good 9x6. Okay guys, so now I'm just gonna pop this wig on and see what we're working with here. Like, look at that, all the way thick to the ends. Ooh, very, very cute. I got a little hair under here. Yeah, this lace really looks amazing on my skin. Like, the lace is eating. It really does look invisible. So I am going to go in with just like a little bit of mousse to flatten this wig a little bit, make sure it gives. So let's just add a little mousse to the top. But yeah, this definitely looks like my real hair. It could 100% be my real hair. Okay, it kind of waves up a little bit when you do add a little wetness to it. So I do like that you can get a few more waves in the hair if you want to bring your waves back a little bit. You can add baby hair or you don't need to add baby hair. I don't know which one I'm feeling. I might want to add baby hair, I'm not sure. But I'm just gonna add a little makeup to the part to make sure the part really just pops. So let's add a little bit of makeup. And bam, you guys, like that's that. I don't know, I kind of want to add a little baby hair. So let's see it with just a little baby hair and see if it's just going to eat or what. So let's add baby hair and see what happens. So this will not take long. This will not take long at all, you guys. But okay, we are just going to add a little bit of baby hair on the side. It actually might already have the baby hair included. Yeah, we're just gonna add a little touch of baby hair. You definitely don't need to add baby hair if you don't want to add baby hair, but I just feel like with this texture, it might really eat, you guys. Nothing too dramatic. You don't want your baby hairs too thick at all. And that is it, you guys. You could do like a cute little updo, do like a little half up, half down. That really eats. I like that. I just wish I had like a little clip to put right there. You could really do anything with this. Like, I am in love with these 9x6s, and this wig was just so easy to apply. The hair looks absolutely beautiful, you guys. I love it. It really looks like my hair. Like, you cannot tell me this is not my hair with a blowout or something. I don't know. But once again, this wig is from CurlyMe Hair. I'm going to link it in the description box. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany. And thank you all so much for watching. Have a great day, guys. Bye.